when you are, or when you do get an instruction that you feel is too fast, if you don't think it's safe, don't
just go ahead, and then it's okay to drive in the wrong direction than driving unsafe.
Yes. Yeah. And also, when you do signal, give him time to understand.
Yeah.
Let him understand what your intention is, and let him adjust.
No, that's what he gave me the signal.
That's fine. That's fine.
He blinked his lights.
He's flashing. Okay.
Yeah, he flashed it. So that's. Oh. This would have been. I shouldn't have stopped in the junction.
You did okay. You missed the box junction. You fine?
Yeah, I missed it just. Just following the road ahead?
Yeah, following the road ahead. Doing it in the next 5 seconds.
Sorry?
You should have done it already.
Yeah, I've seen the hazard.
As soon as you see that potential hazard, you then need to start making adjustments to leave your lane or to do whatever you need to do.
Yeah, I can't be on both the lanes together here, right?
You can straddle the lane, we call it.
Oh, I can be in the middle of the lane just for
and then you go past the obstruction and then go back into your lane.
Okay, so then they might think that okay.
No, but the only reason why you're not in your lane is because the vehicle.
Hazard.
Yeah.
It's a hazard. I'm not overtaking.
Yeah.
If I'm overtaking.
Follow the sign for Temple News.